You're watching Brainstorm Acres. I'm Henry. Today I'm outside. I'm going to be replumbing my water catchment system. Now the reason why is kind of irritating. I set this system up with a wet plumbed system. That means that water would stay in this pipe and come up into the tank this way. Now the intention was to have an additional tank or two to take more water and to put more gutters up on the house. Well, I didn't get the new tanks, I didn't put up more gutters, which was okay because I was getting about 1,500 gallons of water a year pretty easily in this tank. But what happened was I didn't drain the water out of the pipes one day when the weather was not forecast to get really cold, and it froze. So I think what's happened is I think I've split the ABS pipe. So I'm going to cut it out and we'll see. That's one. Well, the pipe is cut. I'm going to go grab a screwdriver and remove these two brackets and look at the pipes to see if they're actually broken. Well, that's one more task on the homestead that's taken care of. I've replumbed the rainwater catchment so that it's now a dry system, which means the water will come down from the gutters, down this downspout, along this pipe, and into our tank. That's important because if I don't do that, it's going to freeze. Now you might ask, why didn't I do that to begin with? Well, the reason is pretty simple. My plan was actually to put another tank in here and put more gutters up. That didn't happen, so I needed to replumb this. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, or at least learned from my mistakes. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for notifications, because we're always doing something here on the homestead. Sometimes it's fun, sometimes it's crazy, and sometimes it's just trying to fix a mistake. Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't.